This lesson is on the surface area of a cylinder. So again, surface area is finding the outside, essentially, so the area of all of the surface that touches the outside air. So we know that in a cylinder we have two circles, one on the bottom, one on the top. So pi r squared is the area of a circle. We're going to take two of those. And then we're going to find the circumference of this, because if I were to break that open, the middle part would be a rectangle. And this part of the rectangle would be 2 pi r, because it would be whatever the distance around the circle is. And this part of the rectangle would be the height. So 2 pi r times big height. Try this one on your own using 22/7 for pi, and then press play to see how you did. So again, to find the surface area, I'm going to take pi r squared, which is the area of my circle. So pi is 22/7 times r squared, so 10 squared. And I'm going to take that times 2 because there's a circle on top and on bottom. And then I'm going to take 2 times pi times r, and then times big height, which will give me this inside area. So I'm not going to break into decimals till I get to the end of this question. 10 squared is 100 times 2 would be 200. So 200 times 22/7, I know that's going to be decimal, so I'm holding off for a minute. 10 times 21 is 210. Times 2 would be 420 times 22/7. This one I'm actually going to go ahead and break that down. This is going to be 1 and this is going to be 60 because I can divide both by 7. And so I've got my first part of my surface area is about 628.57-ish. And notice I'm going out to 2 places. Over here, 60 times 22 is 1320. And then my surface area is just the sum of those two things. So I have 1948.57, or we'll just say 6. So 1948.6 square inches. I don't know why I left such a big space in between those numbers. It's about that. So again, it's an estimation because we've rounded pi.